Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our photo using Inshot. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Inshot, and first of all, I'm going to go to the photo menu and I'm going to select my photo. For example, I'm going to remove unwanted object from this photo. Okay, then we're going to go to the PIP option and then import the same photo. Okay, then you can zoom in to fit the screen like this. And I'm going to go to the mask option and we can choose the shape of the mask. I'm gonna go with the circle mask. Then we can adjust the size like this, and you can take another part of your photo to cover the unwanted object. For example, I'm going to take this part and we can click on the check mark, and then we can cover the unwanted object with the mask. Okay, now it's done, and as you can see that now the unwanted object has been removed from my photo. And if you want to save the photo, you can click on export. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove unwanted object from our photo using Inshot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.